Hey there! Today, let's meet a pair of twin brothers. They live in two totally different worlds. One is an early bird, and the other is a night owl. Let's take a look at their daily routines.
Hi, I am an early bird.
This is Brother Early Bird. First up, let's step into his sunny world.
My alarm goes off at 6 a.m.
My alarm goes off at 6 a.m.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I open the window to let in some fresh air.
I open the window to let in some fresh air.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I drink a glass of warm water.
I drink a glass of warm water.
I go for a 20-minute run.
I go for a 20-minute run.
I take a quick shower.
I take a quick shower.
I whip up a simple breakfast.
I whip up a simple breakfast.
I eat eggs and toast.
I eat eggs and toast.
I check my messages while eating.
I check my messages while eating.
I catch the bus to campus.
I catch the bus to campus.
I walk to class.
I walk to class.
I sit in the front row.
I sit in the front row.
I take notes during the lecture.
I take notes during the lecture.
I participate in class discussions.
I participate in class discussions.
I have a break at 10 a.m.
I have a break at 10 a.m.
I chat with my classmates.
I chat with my classmates.
Morning classes end at noon.
Morning classes end at noon.
I grab lunch at the dining hall.
I grab lunch at the dining hall.
I usually order a salad.
I usually order a salad.
I find a quiet corner to relax.
I find a quiet corner to relax.
I take a 20-minute power nap.
I take a 20-minute power nap.
I print out some study materials.
I print out some study materials.
I have 2 more classes in the afternoon.
I have 2 more classes in the afternoon.
I head to the library to do homework.
I head to the library to do homework.
I turn off my phone to study.
I turn off my phone to study.
I focus on my assignments.
I focus on my assignments.
I finish my daily tasks.
I finish my daily tasks.
I borrow 2 books from the library.
I borrow 2 books from the library.
I work on a group project.
I work on a group project.
We brainstorm ideas together.
We brainstorm ideas together.
I go to basketball practice.
I go to basketball practice.
I grab a coffee at 3 p.m.
I grab a coffee at 3 p.m.
I hit the gym for a workout.
I hit the gym for a workout.
I head back home around 6 p.m.
I head back home around 6 p.m.
I make a healthy dinner.
I make a healthy dinner.
I watch an English movie for an hour.
I watch an English movie for an hour.
I pick out my outfit for tomorrow.
I pick out my outfit for tomorrow.
I do some light stretching.
I do some light stretching.
I read a few pages of a book.
I read a few pages of a book.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I turn off the lights at 10:30 p.m.
I turn off the lights at 10:30 p.m.
I fall asleep quickly.
I fall asleep quickly.
Well, I am a night owl.
This is Brother Night Owl. Now let's see what he does after dark.
I sleep in until 10 a.m.
I sleep in until 10 a.m.
My alarm rings a dozen times.
My alarm rings a dozen times.
I hit the snooze button twice.
I hit the snooze button twice.
The sun is way too bright for me.
The sun is way too bright for me.
I finally crawl out of bed at 10:30.
I finally crawl out of bed at 10:30.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I feel groggy in the morning.
I feel groggy in the morning.
I need a strong coffee to wake up.
I need a strong coffee to wake up.
I skip breakfast and have brunch.
I skip breakfast and have brunch.
I check my phone for missed calls.
I check my phone for missed calls.
I take a cold shower to wake myself up.
I take a cold shower to wake myself up.
I dress casually for school.
I dress casually for school.
I head to campus in the afternoon.
I head to campus in the afternoon.
My first class starts at 2 p.m.
My first class starts at 2 p.m.
I often daydream in class.
I often daydream in class.
I grab a quick snack between classes.
I grab a quick snack between classes.
I spend my afternoon at a cafe.
I spend my afternoon at a cafe.
I love the afternoon vibe.
I love the afternoon vibe.
I meet up with friends for a study session.
I meet up with friends for a study session.
I'm not very productive yet.
I'm not very productive yet.
I charge my laptop in the library.
I charge my laptop in the library.
I wait for the sun to go down.
I wait for the sun to go down.
I go for a walk in the evening.
I go for a walk in the evening.
I start to feel more energetic.
I start to feel more energetic.
This is my favorite time of day.
This is my favorite time of day.
I start my homework at 9 p.m.
I start my homework at 9 p.m.
My brain works better at night.
My brain works better at night.
I have a lot of creative ideas.
I have a lot of creative ideas.
I listen to lo-fi music while studying.
I listen to lo-fi music while studying.
I don't get distracted easily now.
I don't get distracted easily now.
I drink tea to stay awake.
I drink tea to stay awake.
I stay up writing my essay until midnight.
I stay up writing my essay until midnight.
Well, I enjoy being alone.
Well, I enjoy being alone.
I order some late-night takeout.
I order some late-night takeout.
I eat noodles at 1 a.m.
I eat noodles at 1 a.m.
I scroll through social media.
I scroll through social media.
I watch YouTube to unwind.
I watch YouTube to unwind.
Oh, I realize it's getting super late.
I realize it's getting super late.
I get my things ready for tomorrow.
I get my things ready for tomorrow.
I set my alarm for late morning.
I set my alarm for late morning.
I turn off all the lights.
I turn off all the lights.
I crawl into bed at 2 a.m.
I crawl into bed at 2 a.m.
I fall asleep very quickly.
I fall asleep very quickly.
Even though they have different schedules, they still share many special moments together.
We live in the same apartment.
We live in the same apartment.
We enjoy our colorful university life.
We enjoy our colorful university life.
We share a small kitchen.
We share a small kitchen.
We do the chores together.
We do the chores together.
We have a cat named Twilight.
We have a cat named Twilight.
We meet in the hallway at 9 p.m.
We meet in the hallway at 9 p.m.
We say good night and good luck to each other.
We say good night and good luck to each other.
We both major in computer science.
We both major in computer science.
We help each other with coding.
We help each other with coding.
We both want to get straight A's.
We both want to get straight A's.
We have a shared calendar on the wall.
We have a shared calendar on the wall.
We hit the supermarket on weekends.
We hit the supermarket on weekends.
We are big rivals in gaming.
We are big rivals in gaming.
We are each other's best listeners.
We are each other's best listeners.
We both love being outdoors.
We both love being outdoors.
We enjoy cycling together.
We enjoy cycling together.
We call home every Sunday.
We call home every Sunday.
We love our parents very much.
We love our parents very much.
We are different, but we are best friends.
We are different, but we are best friends.
Different habits, same brotherly love. That's their colorful university life. So, are you an early bird or a night owl? Let me know in the comments. See you next time!